The famous scene from Minority Report depicting a consumer walking into a Gap store and being instantly recognized, prompting the system to suggest new purchases based on that customer's purchase history, may have once seemed like an interesting movie fantasy, but it has now become reality. NEC has unveiled a new system in Japan that will allow stores to identify new and returning customers using facial recognition. NEC's service, called Unveils, was previewed recently at the C&C User Forum and Expo 2012 in Japan. Unveils allows the retailer to use the system to analyze a shopper's face to determine the proximate age, gender, and whether or not that shopper has been to the store before. Using a technique called adaptive region mixed matching, Unveils can even identify shoppers regardless of random factors such as changing facial expressions, facial hair, or eyeglasses. The system is so accurate that it passed a test conducted by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, turning it the highest marks for high-volume identification matching. Although Unveils is not yet a common tool for major retailers, the company says the system has already been deployed at Universal Studios Japan, assisting the company in its efforts to manage the arrivals and departures of the thousands of customers that visit the site on a daily basis. This service is mainly intended for retailers that have several stores, a NEC spokesperson said in an interview with Japan Stage Info. It provides retailers with customer attributes based on facial images. That information is helpful for sales strategies. Retailers can find out how many customers visit their stores at each time of day, and what customers' attributes are. This enables them to fine-tune their sales strategies. For example, the data could be used to run campaigns targeting men and women in their 20s. For those concerned about the security of a store holding biometric data, NEC said that although the faces are captured by the system, the biometric data is encrypted, thus preventing it from being inadvertently disclosed to third parties. Despite the sophistication of Unveils' technology, it is likely to become the staple in many stores, particularly because it is being offered at what some retailers will consider an affordable price, $880 per month.